how to create amazing AI ambient lock screen wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Next, tap on Wallpaper and Style. Then tap on the left-hand side panel. From here, tap on Wallpapers at the top corner. Then we go down to the Create with AI section and tap on Photo Ambient. Here, tap on Try Now. So here, see how AI changes your own photo based on the time and weather. So tap on Try Now and then select a photo from your library. Okay, so now it is analyzing. So tap on the play button to have a preview what it looks like. So now it is raining. So based on the weather, it shows raindrops. I'm not sure you can see it, but here, if I move it closer, you can see it. So it shows a sample of what it can potentially do. Okay, so you can tap on gallery. Sorry, we go back here. So we can tap on gallery to change a different image. So if you want to change the image, you just need to tap on the gallery button. Tap on the play button will give you a preview of what it can do. And if you're happy, just tap on the back key and then tap on done to save the changes. And here we go back to the lock screen. So for the effects to take place, give it some time so that the phone can analyze the image, and based on your weather conditions, it will display. It will change the effects on your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.